Ready to unlock your Ethereum from Coinbase's Fort Knox and move it safely to your desired wallet? Let's dive in. First, logged into your Coinbase account, make sure you have your two-factor authentication device handy. That's your first line of defense. Navigate to your Coinbase dashboard and locate your vault. It's designed for extra security, so withdrawing takes a few more steps than your regular Coinbase wallet. Inside your vault, find the Withdraw button, usually located at the bottom or top right. Click it. A window will pop up asking for the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw and the destination address. Triple check that address. An incorrect address means lost ETH. Now comes the security dance. Coinbase will require multiple verification steps. Expect an email and possibly an SMS code to confirm this withdrawal request. After confirming, remember Coinbase Vault withdrawals have a security delay. This often lasts 48 hours or more. This is for your protection. You can track the withdrawal progress on the Vault page. It will show the remaining time and the status of your transaction. Once the waiting period is over and the transaction is processed, you'll see a confirmation your Ethereum is now on its way. You can verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan using the transaction ID provided by Coinbase. Consider using a hardware wallet for ultimate security when managing your Ethereum outside of Coinbase. That is one of the safest storage methods you can use.